हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन। उससे पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन क्या होते हैं। फर्स्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन। एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, व्हाट इज एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन? y equal to a power x, where x is what? Variable, a is what? Some constant. Okay, a is what? Constant. X is variable, where x belongs to r, and a is what? Constant. The constant value should be what? Must be greater than 0 and not equal to 1. That function is called exponential function. For example, y equal to 2 power x. This is exponential function. Y equal to 1 by 3 to the power x. This is exponential function. Y equal to e power x. E power x is also exponential function, where e is what? Napier constant. Napier constant. The values of e will be what? 2.71 something. This will be the values of e. Next we are discussing graph of exponential function. Graph of exponential function. So we know y equal to a power x is what? Exponential function, where a should be what? Greater than 0 and not equal to 1. So graph of exponential function depend on e. So here a we can categorize in two categories. One is what? If a is greater than 0, less than 1, and second category is what? If a is greater than 1. Okay, so we'll get two type of graph. If a is what? This one, then we'll get different graph. If a is greater than 1, then we'll get different. So to understand the graph, we are taking one example. Suppose a value we are taking here 1 by 2. So what function will come? Y equal to 1 by 2 power x. So this one we can add 1 by 2 power x. So for making graph, what you will do? We will take xy plane. So what you will do? We will put x value and we will find out y value. So what you will take? Down we are taking. So one side we are taking x value and y value we will find out. X is what? X belongs to what? R. So we will start from minus infinite. If x is minus infinite, so what will come? 1 by 2 power minus infinite. So if x is what? Minus infinite, then y equal to what? 1 by 2 power minus infinite. So this one we can write what? 2 power infinite. So 2 power infinite is what? Infinite. So y will come what? Infinite. Then x value we are putting what? Minus 4. If I put minus 4 here, then what will come here? 1 by 2 power minus 4. So this will come in numerator. What will come? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is what? 16. Now if you put minus 2, then 1 by 2 power minus 2. So this one we can write 4. If I put 0 here, then what will come? 1 by 2 power 0 is what? 1. Now if you put 2 here, then we'll get 1 by 2 square. If I put 4, then 1 by 2 power 4. And if I put infinite, then what will come? X equal to infinite. Then y equal to what? 1 by 2 power infinite. So 1 by denominator is what? Infinite. So it is tending to 0. So if it is infinite, it will be 0. So like that will come. So if x is minus infinity, y is what? Infinity. So it will start from infinity. Then it will decrease. So at minus 4 we are getting 16. So minus 4 will be here. At point you will get 16. So this point is what? Minus 4 comma 16. At minus 2 we are getting 4. So at minus 2 will be here. So here we will get what? Minus 2 comma y value is what? 4. Now 0. At 0 what will come? 1. Okay, so it will come like that graph. It will come like that graph. Okay, so it will never touch x-axis, but it will look like it is touching the x-axis. So at 0 you will get what? 1. So this point is what? 0 comma 1. Similarly, if I take 2, then you will get this point. This point is what? 2 comma 1 by 4. and if I take 4, then we'll get what? This point. This point is what? 4 comma 1 by 16. And if you go till infinity, if I go positive infinity, then this graph looking like it is touching the x-axis, but it will never touch because infinity is what? Undefined. So it will coming towards 0, but it will never be 0. So this graph, you can see this graph is what? Decreasing graph. Okay, so we can say that if a is greater than 0 and less than 1, then y equal to a power x is decreasing graph. Decreasing graph. Okay, you can see here y value is what? Y value is what? Infinite, 16, 4, 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 0. But it will never become what? 0. So we can say that y is what? Positive, but not 0. So here we can say that y belongs to open bracket 0 to infinite. That means y is nothing but range of logarithmic function. So range is what? Range is 0 to infinite if it is fractional part. If a is what? 0 to 1, then y equal to a power is what? Decreasing function, and range is what? 0 to infinity. So we can say that here y is what? Always positive. So we can say that y is what? 0 to infinity, so always positive. Next graph we are doing if a is what? Greater than 1. So for that also we are taking one example. If I take a value is what? Suppose 3. Then what will come? Y equal to 3 power x. Same thing, we are taking x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So here also we are making table. So we'll put x value and we'll find out y value. So starting with minus infinite. So if I put x value is what? Minus infinite. So 3 power minus infinite. So if x is what? Infinite, minus infinite, then y is what? 3 power minus infinite. So this one we can 1 by 3 power infinite. So 1 by infinite. So 1 by infinite is what? 0. So this will come out 0. Now if I put minus 4, then 3 power minus 4. So we can add 1 by 3 power 4. If I put here minus 2, then what will come? 3 power minus 2. That means 1 by 9. If I put 0 here, then 3 power 0 is what? 1. Similarly, if I put 2 here, then what will come? 3 square, 9. If I put 4 here, then what will come? 3 power 4, that is 81. And if I put here infinity, then what will come? 3 power infinity is what? Infinity. So it is tending to infinity. So at minus infinity, it will look like it is 0, but it will be never start from 0. So it will not touch x-axis. It will look like it is near to 0. Then after that, what is happening? Y value, you can see it is increasing. So y value is what? Increasing. So this will come like that. So if you see this point is what? Suppose minus 4, then this value will be what? Minus 4 comma 1 by 81. If I take here minus 2, then this value will be minus 2 comma 1 by 9. If I take this one 0, so with respect to 0 we are getting 0 comma 1. Similarly, if I take 2, so if I take 2 here, suppose 2 is here, so with respect to this one we are getting point this 2 comma 9. Similarly, if you take 4, so with respect to 4 we are getting 81. So x is what? 4 and y is what? 81. So 4 comma 81. This point is what? 4 comma 81. X is 4, y is what? Infinity. And if x is infinity, y is what? Infinity. So you can see that this graph is what? Increasing graph. So we can see that if a is greater than 1, then graph is increasing. Graph is increasing. And here also if you check, y value is what? 0, 1 by 3 power 4, 1 by 9, 1, 1, 9, 81, infinity. So y value is what? Positive. So here also we can say y belongs to 0 to infinity. Okay, so y is nothing but what? Range of exponential function. So y is what? Range. So you can see if a is greater than 1, then increasing function. Okay, and range is what? 0 to infinity. And here also range is what? 0 to infinity. So exponential function, we can say that range is what? 0 to infinity if there is no boundation, if x belongs to R. So if here, if x belongs to R, y is greater than 0, that we can say. If x is bounded, then y will be different. But if x belongs to R, then y is what? Always greater than 0. So we can say that y equal to a power x. Exponential function is always positive, we can say. That is your graph.